Hey guys, welcome back. It's Shelby. I just got back from my road trip to Wisconsin Dells. You might have caught my packing video on what I brought that I posted on Friday. We had an awesome time. I'm super exhausted, but it was great. We did a lot of really cool, fun activities, which I wanted to share with you in this video. Heads up, if you don't like reptiles, there are like some alligators and snakes in here. Also, there is a very, very brief strobe flashing, but if you're sensitive to that, just be warned, it's like 2 seconds, but it is in there. I'll link all of my socials down in the description as always. I'll be posting pictures soon, but I hope you enjoyed the video. What a lovely day for a road trip. Look at that lovely misty rainy sky. And we're in the car on our several-hour journey to get started. Check out this mural. That's a quality mural right there. First stop was lunch. Delicious pizza, by the way. If you ever stop there, I suggest it. And afterwards, we're off to our first attraction. Oh my god, that's amazing. The Upside Down White House. I love it. I don't even care. That's the best thing I've ever seen. The little Secret Servicemen. The little mannequins. That's not creepy at all. And the second one, their heads are so small. Just why? Oh, thank God. I was lost on my way to the top secret warehouse. Look at that equipment. If this is like top secret classified, I feel like the equipment should be better. Why are they dressed like they're in some sort of like bad music video cult?
Be careful, or they'll lock you up too. The same thing they did with talking eagles and Bigfoot.
There's Bigfoot, and he's waving. Hello. If he moves, I'm gonna freak out. T-Rex. I'll always love you. Alright, this is the roller coaster. This is like wood and super rickety and terrifying looking. This is gonna be awesome. Look at that. We're gonna die. This is like something, yeah, I don't know about this. This is gonna be great. I'm very excited. Walking up to the roller coaster. Entering the gates of Hades. Everything I want in life right now. Nice and tall. I, however, will not be filming on it. This was the tallest swing ride like this I've ever been on, and it was awesome, but there was no sidebar keeping you in, and it was kind of totally terrifying too. So this ride was totally awesome. They strap you into a hang glider vest and bring you up, he said 115 feet, and then you have to pull your own ripcord to drop. My friends let me do this one by myself. I think they put that jostling in like just for me because they only did it for me and the girls that went before me, but nobody else had that going up. So I think they were just messing with me. Going up to the top, actually it didn't get like super nerve-wracking until about halfway up. Like, I'm gonna wave here, yeah, right there, and that was fine. And then after that, that's when it started getting really, really scary. And the guy just counted it off, and I was like, okay, I have to go like right when he does it or else I won't. So yeah, this was completely awesome, totally lived up to my expectations. 10 out of 10, would absolutely do it again. After the theme park, we hit the water park, but for obvious electronics not mixing with water reasons, I couldn't film that. Then we went to the little downtown street to see what we could find. First off is this super fun gem shop, which I don't actually think I was supposed to film in, but I didn't see the sign until it was too late. But they had so many cool things, especially like a bunch of agate, of amethysts, which I love, really cool fossilized sand dollars, which were just awesome. They had a bunch of baby shark teeth, and they put the word megalodon on everything, even things that clearly were not megalodon. But other than that, it was a really, really cool shop, and they did actually have some super legit, really awesome fossils. Look at the little starfish. I love that. Walking around downtown, it's not that big, but they did have street performers. Like, this guy was really funny and put on a good show. So definitely worth just kind of stopping your walk and watching, and every kind of few feet or whatever in front of storefronts or like alleys and stuff, they had people doing stuff like this. They had musicians, they had like just kind of people stopped with vendors, and it was fun. It was very entertaining, and it made the walk more enjoyable. So super awesome. That looks awesome. What? Yeah, that's adorable. I have no idea what it is, but it's really cute. It's so cute. I love that. So pretty. Oh my god. This stores everything. I mean, we can't not. This is like, oh my god. It's rock candy. Oh my god. Oh my god. And it's rock candy on sticks. Personal favorite. Oh, I've never seen that color. That's awesome. Oh my goodness. Delicious. Oh my gosh, they're little tennis balls. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. I want it. What day is it? Food du jour. The chat and chew. Love the art. That looks vaguely threatening, not gonna lie. Since we're in Wisconsin, we had to try the cheese curds, and they had some very good ones. They had some very good everything at this place. If you get the chance, definitely eat there. Their french fries are really thin, but also delicious. And because I'm an addict, we had to stop by Starbucks again in the morning. The new triple mocha frappuccino. Oh my god, so good. Another cute little candy shop. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Alligators! Look at it! It's alligators! You get to feed them. Yay! We're gonna see alligators. Look at you. They look very expectant. They're so cute. Hi, yeah, they see the meat. Oh yes. I don't think I would want to meet you in real life. I'm very happy there's a wall between us. They don't, no. Not gonna lie, this one up front, this one right here, that one's the one that's weirding me out.
Thank you. Is it going?
Yeah. Guys, gonna go in there, ready? Oh, he was the one I thought would be vicious. He didn't even move. You dingbat? What are you doing? Okay, well, skilled hunters maybe not. The food literally hit him on the head, and he's just like, I can't find it. It's like just chilling right there. Where is it? It hit him on the head, And now it's right there. You can see it moving by his tail. Like it's back there.
Oh yeah, I see it now.
Oh, he kind of sort of. Seriously, it hit you on the head and you can't figure out what you did with it. He's trying to get to it, but he's trapped. I think he knows where it is. It's right by that guy and he's not even getting it. Expectation? Reality. That one's just like chill. Like he's the biggest, but he's like the least ferocious looking. Hey, look at you! You're so active. Hello. How are you? Oh, he does blink. He's got like dragon eyes. You look like a little dragon. Little dragon baby. Hi, honey. They look like little alligator puppies. Yes, you do. You look like a little alligator puppy. Hi, baby. Look at you living it up for the camera. Hello. So active. Come back, baby. Yeah, hi. You be in the video with me? Hello. You're so cute. Look at you. So cute. This is so cool. Look at this. I just love the lighting, but then behind me are, you know, crocodiles. Look at you. Albino babies. Look at their eyes. Look at your eyes, babies. Little nuggets. Oh my goodness, look at you, baby. You are so cute. Little baby. I love him, I want him. Oh, look at that one up on the rock out there, so proud. The little albino baby next to him. Or maybe her, maybe that's the mother, I don't know. You're cute. Look at you. Hey, goodbye. Me with the croc.
He's ready.
Ooh, smart baby. Oh, didn't know. Oh, there we go, there we go. You still missed it. Holmes, how? The scales are so pretty and rainbow. Look at that. That's so cool. From the movie. Where's J-Lo?
Oh, they're here.
And it's back to the cuties. How are you? Look at that chubby baby. He's just chilling. He's so cute. He's like a squishy fruit that went splat against the ground. But he's a frog. Oh my goodness, I love frogs. Oh look, they're stacked up. You're adorable. Look at that. I told a real alligator to take a picture. It was so cool. He had me at Great Margaritas. This really is just beautiful. It's massive. Oh, this looks so good. So good. Are they? I could never work in a foot shop. There would be no inventory. Like they literally would come in and be like, you've been working all night, you didn't make anything. Oh, I did. I just ate it all. Back downtown to walk around and see the sights. Frozen Bear, yummy ice cream. Cute little town, no idea what this is, but like building facades that are adorable. This is adorable. We found a 15-minute escape room, totally beat it, and then started out on our several-hour road trip back home. Alright guys, thanks for watching. That was my weekend road trip to Wisconsin Dells. Super fun, very jam-packed. I really enjoyed it there. I'd never been there before. It's actually really beautiful. It's definitely kind of a place that you can do in a weekend. I feel like we got a really good idea of what was there and really good sampling, and kind of everybody was able to do everything they wanted to do and have a good time and not feel super rushed over the weekend. But by the end of it, we all felt like we had accomplished what we wanted to do, and there wasn't, you know, really like anyone like, oh, I wish we had another 6 days. Like, you know, it's a really good weekend trip. So I think it was the perfect amount of time. If you're planning on going there, I think that you definitely should. It was a lot of fun. I hope you found this video entertaining, at least, if not helpful, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.